Well, well, well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beard's Diaries. Now wait a minute. Usually I don't have a shirt on right now, but I just got back from the gym. I was at the gym and I was thinking about my hair, and I have a couple competitions coming up, and I was thinking about the fact that I want to look a little more aggressive when I'm on stage. So with that said, if you look at my hair right now, well, I had a hat on, but if you look at it, my bangs or the front of my hair is a little longer than what I would like to have more of that aggressive appeal on stage. So I decided to take it down a bit. Now this is definitely more aggressive than it has been in the past, but that's what we want. Hold on one sec. There we go, that's more like it. Let me grab the clippers and then we're gonna get this started. Now, well, before I grab the clippers, I will kind of go over what I've done in the past. So the last cut that I did a 2 on the side around the ears, and I had the lever adjusted at the longest length, and then I put a 3 on, and I did a 3 attachment at the shortest length all the way around the top, and then for the bangs, I took the attachment off and I just put my hands through my hair and kind of went through what was left of it. But when I did that the last time, lengthwise, I put my hands through my hair and went up a tad bit. This time around, I'm gonna put my fingers in my hair and just not go up at all, but take that much off right there. And hopefully this will give me the desired length. Inevitably, I am gonna shave my head, but we're taking baby steps. Again, we have the clippers with no attachments on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the lever as short as possible. So lever, I guess technically this would be lever up, and this is gonna bring the blade down for the shortest possible cut. And I'm going to use my hands as a guide for what I'm gonna take off. Wish me luck. How are we looking? I'm liking the length of my bangs. Again, to measure this, I simply slid my fingers into my hair and just clipped anything that was pretty much above the fingers, and my fingers are lying against my scalp. Usually I'll pick them up a tad bit for length, but this time, again, I wanna go more aggressive. Now that the bangs are taken care of, I'm gonna grab my clippers and I'm going to put a number 5 attachment on. And what I'm going to do is just simply slide the 5 throughout the rest of my hair to even everything out, but I'm not gonna go to the bangs because I want these just a tad bit longer. Going back to a previous video, I have a long face, and so adding some bangs that I can kind of toss to the side gives my face some shape as opposed to making it look very long. We have the number 5, and let me set this mirror down. The number 5 is going to be at the shortest length possible with these clippers, and I'm gonna turn this on. Your hair may, here, let me turn these off. I'm going to be going against my hair to make sure that I get everything, make sure that it's even, up into behind the bang. So I'm pretty much gonna go up to here and stop. I won't get the bangs at all. Here, I'll have my head to where you can see what I'm doing with the clippers. I'm not going in front of the bangs because I don't want to clip my bangs any shorter. So right here, just going right up into the bangs and back. Okay, so it's a pretty simple haircut. I don't want to do anything crazy fancy, again, because I'm doing that physique competition, so I want more attention on my body as opposed to my hair. For the first physique competition, I'm not going to touch the beard. I'm going to keep the beard normal, but for the big competition, this is the competition that's worldwide. There's going to be, last year there were 22 countries that were competing in this event. That being said, I'm gonna go for something drastic. I don't know how short yet. And then once that is done after the competition, I'm gonna go ahead and most likely I'm gonna let it grow for a year without touching it. Well, I'll clean up here, but lengthwise, I'm gonna just let it go. Okay, enough talk. I'm gonna go to the shower, come out, and see what the final outcome looks like. Be right back. All right. You know what? I think it's mission accomplished. Pretty much what I'm going for the competition, as far as taking the focus away from the hair, making it nice and clean, but not overdone. That way the focus is on the aesthetics. So we're golden. Now what's left to do, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some beard balm. Yes, I said beard balm. I'm gonna put that in my hair, style my hair, and I'm also gonna throw some in my beard. 2 birds, 1 stone. That's why I like to use the beard balm. And the beard balm that I've been using is the Beard Struggle Viking Honor Beard Balm. Smells really good. It has, going back to the name of it, Viking Honor is the scent, and it's the beard balm by the Beard Struggle. I really like it because it has a nice subtle mint, yeah, like a clean mint scent to it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, dab some on my fingers, and rub it through my hair. It's not gonna take a whole lot, being that I've definitely cut a significant amount of length off of my hair. So I'm just gonna rub it in, just toss it to the side, put the rest of my beard. Golden. Okay, so that's gonna do it for today. There wasn't a lot of beard action, but as I had mentioned previously, that I'm going to document absolutely everything that I do to my hair and beard. So this is another one of those situations, minus the beard. It was just with the hair, obviously. With all of that said and done, I hope you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.